Good day, everyone. This is Joseph Ray Hilbaha, and we're going to tackle about market, target market. So, what is target market? A target market is the ideal group of prospective customer for a specific products or services who share common characteristics that influence their buying behavior. So, it is a business will promote its product or services to the target market from which the organization may generate the greatest profitable action, thus achieving the goal marketing. While B2C or business to consumer businesses may focus most on audience specific characteristics to define their target market. While B2B, meaning business to business, typically considers industries such as niches and verticals as the primary characteristics to describe their target market. After this, it is common for business to business or B2B organization to further define their target audiences. For example, Nandre, the construction industry has many niches markets such as maintenance, repair, and operation, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and plumbing. So within these niche markets, the target audience specifically may differ in their product needs, suggesting that marketers would customize their messages accordingly. So here's some shared characteristics like industrial, niche, vertical, age, maturity, gender, location, geographics, income, lifestyle, social status, hobbies and interests, career, professional and role, buying triggers, researching patterns, purchasing behavior, and media consumption. So, these essential characteristics that defines a target market differ depending on the product, and the product characteristics you promote will vary on the target market. So, for example, a sports bra may depend upon gender as a defining target market characteristic, whereas a candy bar may rely most of on ease of buying location. Uh, so, importante jud kayo ang pag-define mo sa imong target market kay para makabalo jud ka kung kinsa tong mga customer nga maka-convert sa imo ug makapataas sa imong sale. So for this like example, a diamond ring may depend heavily upon the target market social status characteristics, whereas as a content calendar software may rely most on the target market professional pain point characteristics. So therefore it is a best practices to research all of these shared characteristics of the group of people you wish to target your product toward, yet include only the most relevant characteristics in the target market framework you will use to direct marketing. So dapat relevant yung um, imong mga target market like geographic or age or gender para makuan gud nila nga kuan. So, no? Para makakuan jud ka sa ilang convertible sila, makakuan sila, maka-generate sila og profit. So, what is the purpose of target market? So, a target marketers provide marketers an effective way to focus their activities on driving awareness, interest, desire, and action from the niches of prospective buyer most likely to find a long-term value in the business solution. So, you should understand also the target market that it will help you make informed business decision to fulfill the primary purpose of marketing. Influence profitable customer actions. So, target market research inform the product marketing mix to reach prospective buyer as effectively as possible. So, kanina yung prospective day, guys. So, ang pagsabot ay ani kay um muna siya ang it's so muna ni siya ang kuan kanang potential ba, meaning potential siya nga client or potential siya nga customer. So target market research, industry, niche, and vertical. So product, what problems does your product solve for the target market? Price, what pricing strategies will influence the profitable customer action from the target market? Place, where will be the target market research and purchase your product? Promotion, What marketing tactics, marketing channels, and types will reach your target market most effectively. So kaning promotion guys, murag kuan na kay ni siya kana pinaka basic lang ni like advertising sa TV, sa like Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, dako kay na siya nga kuan dira karon nga generation nga ma-reach nimo widely ang imong kuan, imong product or services. So packaging, what central experience, appearance, texture, scent, auditory, and taste will attract your target market. So dili lang gyud ay product itself, no, for example a product dili lang gyud ay ang product itself ang makapa kuan sa imong target market. So mas kuan gyud ay ang packaging po day dapat presentable, then dapat sakto gyud kanang dili siya madali makaguba sa sulod sa product. So positioning, how will you target market understand the unique differentiators and value only your product provides? People, what are the shared traits, buying triggers, research behaviors, and related purchasing patterns of the target market as personified in a target audience? So, knowing your target market informs strategic business decision to use your resources effectively as possible. Um, understand Understanding target markets. What is an example of a target market? For example, let's explore coffee consumption as a target market for Starbucks. So, for the sake of Starbucks, natatay ko nga link dari silahang para to magamit. So mo ni siya, mo ni yang kwan industry niche or vertical. This target market characteristic is very relevant for B2B business but less for the B2C. For this example, we will focus on a primary target market of B2C. So meaning dito ta mag-focus sa business to consumer. So age, maturity, 22 to 60, tech savvy and educated. Genders or sex, not super applicable, but Starbucks has been actively building a culture where everyone is welcome. So location and geographics, busy urban and suburban on the go individual who stop in Starbucks own store. Income, like $90,000 with the ability to throw down to $10 per visit. Lifestyle, social status, white collar, professionals, hobbies and interests, tech and socially conscious. Career, professional role, white collar may be important for remote working application in stores. Buying triggers, research patterns, purchasing behavior. Treat yourself while communicating on the go. Media consumption, smartphone usage may indicate apps, social media, and other digital media may be effective. So, so here are the three types of target markets. One, mass market. A company targets mass market when they sell vast quantities of a product to a large number of consumers. These products are often not customized but rather more of a one-size-fits-all approach. Mass markets product aim to sell to the majority of consumers within a target market, perhaps 50 to 100% of the target market cap. For example, mass market products may include soda pop, laundry detergent, and kuan. For example, kani soda pop, so daghan ba gyud mag-inom og mga soda, laundry detergent. So manglaba ba kita tanan. So meaning kanang mas target gid siya. So number two, broad marketers, also known as differentiated markets. Broad mark Broad market strategies target more defined members within a target market who share common attributes. So broad markets products aim to sell to many consumers in a target market, but with a specific subsegment of the market in mind, perhaps 25 to 50% of the total market cap. For example, broad market products may include over-the-counter medicines that solve specific alignments such as headaches, some clothing products, children, and toys. So yan eh. Dili broad siya pero dili siya unlike sa mass market nga kuan kanang pangkalahatan gyud kaning broad markets kay nagpili lang, for example aning medicine, so lisod po kay mupalit og medicines nung walay sakit, so di ba, so ga make sense sa pod. So niche markets focuses on a very on a wait, on a Niche market focuses on a very specific segment or subsegment of the target of the market. Niche products solves problems and provide value to a narrowly defined audience. So meaning narrowly, so pili na kayo. So mo na yung example of niche markets. Maybe trail runners who fall within a broad market of runners who fall within a mass market of athletes. A sub-segment of the trail runners niches market could even be winter trail runners, thus furthering niche. So what are the five target market segments? So the four target marketers are geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral. So the fifth target market, some scholars consider is firmographic. So how number one, how to use geographic market segmentation to define your target market. Geographic segmentation help organize, generate profitable customer action based on where prospective customers live, work, operate, and travel. So target market characteristics to consider in geographic segmentation may include con- continent, country, state, county, city, neighborhood, urban or rural, climate zone, seasonality, weather, temperature, culture, and norms. So, how to use demographic market segmentation to define your target market. Demographic segmentation explores traits individuals shares that presumably influence their purchasing decisions. So, here's are the important demographic segmentation target market characteristics. Age, gender, family, relationship, home ownership, pets, income, and education. So, number three, how to use psychographic market segmentation to define your target market. Where psychographic segmentation builds upon demographics to include lifestyle characteristics that may influence purchase decision. Target market characteristics to consider in psychographic segmentation may include personality, opinions, demeanor, social status, interests or hobbies, media consumption patterns. Number four, how to use behavioral market segmentation to define your target market. So behavioral segmentation explores the pain points, needs, and wants that trigger buying activities. Target market characteristics to consider in behavioral segmentation may include, here are the important behavioral segmentation target market characteristics. Role, title, purchase seasons, pain points, budget, need, authority, time, buying process, decision makers, buying journeys stages, engagement level. So so important behavior segmentation. So mana ni how to use firmographic market segmentation to define your target market. Firmographic segmentation helps organize, generate profitable customer action based on the types of business to which the organization markets and sells. Firmographic are a B2B, so business to business resource to aid in defining a target market. So target market characteristics to consider in firmographic segmentation may include import industry, company size, employee count, revenue, maturity, years in business, and legal status. So how do you define your target market? So number one, survey. If you have an existing audience and would like deeper information about your target market to optimize your product and positioning further, surveying your audience may be an effective way to learn more. Tools like kaning Survey Monkey make it easy to write question that you could promote via email, social media, your website, targeting ads, or more. So number two, interview. So if you If you know of ideal target audience members, you may incentive them to be interviewed. If there is a group of ideal prospective buyers, you could alternatively host a focus group. Here is a greater resource to conduct a customer interview. Muna yung link, and this is the details of how to for a focus or group interview. Muna yung link. So number 3, NICE, the North American Industry Classification System, or NICE, provide deep level detail on exactly what you'd expect. You may dig into the research from this research to specifically build out the firmographic information for your target market segmentation. So number 4, research provides. Firms like Gartner and Forrester publish lots of actionable research information that I've personally found valuable when defining target markets and ideal audience member. So that's all for target market. Thank you.